Here he goes and gets it. Now now he goes back into the planter and eats it. Look, there he goes and fills his cheeks, and then goes back into the planter and he's stashing it. Here he goes again. He's getting a bunch more. Doesn't think I know it, but I'm onto him. Oh, and he's stuffing it back into the planter. Back out for some more seed. Stuff his cheeks. Hey there, pal. I see you. Yeah. Yeah. Now he's thinking twice.